So I'm here today to share with you all this bob style wig that I'm wearing by Main Concept. And if you glam dolls are not familiar with who Main Concept is, they were formerly known as Isis from the Isis collection. However, they since changed their name over to Main Concept, and they're also the leading hair manufacturer and distributor within the hair industry. Now, they created other wig lines such as Brown Sugar Collection, RCP, which is a red carpet premiere, and Afri Natural, just to name a few. But speaking of the RCP, this bob style wig that I'm wearing is from their RCP collection. And to make sure that I have the name and the specs and everything else correctly about it, I'm gonna read it to you from its packaging. So like I said, this is part of their red carpet premiere, which is the RCP collection. It is a lace front wig. It's also part of the oil slick hair color series. It's curl iron safe, it's flat iron safe, and the style that I am wearing is RCP784 Debbie. That's RCP784 Debbie, and the color that you are seeing is OS1B/tropical. This is what the packaging is going to look like. That is the model that is on the picture of the packaging. And this is Miss Debbie when you whip her out of its packaging. And I am in love with the oil slick hair color series. I kid you not. Oh my god, Main Concept really stepped up their game. They have gotten so innovative and creative with making the oil slick color line, where they're giving you, you know, bold hair colors that's still daytime wear friendly, and you're not gonna feel like no clown rocking the oil slick hair colors. No ma'am. So let me give you some more specs on this wig. The hair texture of the wig, it's definitely more so on some kind of bundled hair type texture. And what I mean by that is maybe like some Brazilian hair or some kind of Remy hair, because this wig, nothing about it is yucky. So it's not a yucky texture at all. And when it comes to the parting space, this is the parting space right here. And I was very pleased with the fact that I didn't have to do no tweezing on it. I didn't have to do no pull method. I didn't have to do no kind of manipulation on the parting space to get the width or to get the length that you are seeing. So what you see is exactly what you're going to get. The small amount of manipulation I did was add my face powder in on the parting space, and that was just to brighten it up so it can appear a lot more visible. And then I cut the lace off the wig, and this is what I got. This is Debbie. She's definitely worth you dolls looking into. If you have yet to ever try Main Concept Oil Slick Hair Color Series, then baby, you better get from underneath that rock and get on with your life and snatch you one of the oil slick color hair series, because it's not overwhelming. And like I said, this is Miss Debbie when you whip her out of the packaging, and she's absolutely worth you looking into. Hence the reason why I uploaded this wig, so you can honestly fall in love with her just like I did. Because I tell you, Main Concept, if you watching this, your girl, I am very impressed. So on that note, dolls, this just concluded the video. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. And if you haven't yet subscribed to the Miss Glamour Addict YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button. Join in on an amazing official Glam Dolls community. My name is Glam, but all the official Glam Dolls on this channel, and when I say official, that means subscribe Glam Dolls, they call me MGA. I'm all about being a beauty on a budget who love not breaking bank for a fabulous look. So on this channel, what you're going to get is me sharing a lot of fab beauty on a budget finds that you won't have to break bank for. But seriously, this just concluded the video. Thanks again for taking the time to watch this video, and don't forget, we still got to stay socially connected, so please keep in mind, I am on Facebook, I'm on Instagram, and I'm on Twitter with more beauty alerts and fab beauty on a budget finds. And I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.
She's gonna come out of the house like this. It's just Monday.
Yeah, Monday. Just a Monday.
Just a Monday.
Just a Monday.
Just go to the grocery store.
Getting the day started, setting the tone.
You know, stop saying and saving an outfit for when you're going somewhere, because every day when you leave out your door, you're going somewhere.
That's right.
So, glam it up. Glam it up.